Hello everybody, thank you for watching Tech on Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to reseat your memory. Alright, I have here the inside of a computer. Don't mind the mess and the dust inside the computer, it is an older one. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and locate the memory. There we go. On the back of the computer. In this particular case, the memory is right. Let's see if I can get this out of the way. There we go. Is right here. See these two sticks right here? This is the memory in the computer. Of course, that's the video card, CPU, and generally right over by the CPU is going to be the memory itself. There are little notches that you're going to flip up. Here, let me see if I can do this on the spot so you can see it. You're going to take it, and it's going to, as you push it down, it's going to eject the memory a little bit. You're going to do the same to the top notch right here until the memory comes out. Now, granted, your memory may be a different kind of memory. It may be a newer one, but this works exactly the same way. Do you see that notch, that little cut that's in the middle there? What that does is allows you to only plug in the memory one way. So regardless of the kind of memory, this will work for basically any kind of memory you're going for. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just put it right back in the way it was before, but you're not going to push it all the way in on either side. Once you've got it in there, then you're going to start on one side and you're going to push it until the clip starts to come in. I personally like to push it a little bit on one side and then a little bit on the other and then a little bit on the other until it clips. And then eventually what you will get to is a point where the notch will go in and then recapture. You'll hear a click. I don't know if we're going to hear a click here. Let me try this bottom one. Maybe get a click. Kind of clicked. Anyway, what it'll do is it'll capture the memory and it'll hold it in place. So that's it. You can release it by doing that, and you can plug it back in just by pushing it back down again. And this is a little bit older. I know newer ones where the slot is a little bit better, so it sounds and clicks better. But that's basically it. Push up on these to release, or push down on these to release. And then when you're done, just put it right back in. Another good piece of advice is to have it laying down flat on a desk. I have it actually kind of sitting up a little bit. But yeah, that's it. Just lay it flat down, and then just push it down. Once you hear it click, it's back in place, and I just do a little ether on each side to kind of rock it into place until it clicks, and then you're good to go. All right, guys, I hope that helps some of you out there. If you have any questions or comments or anything you'd like to see me do in future videos, just you know, write me a message and let me know. All right.